Alright, so this is Meta on the monthly chart, and we can see price did pull back from the highs of last month, currently trading at $324. Typically, in uptrends, you want to buy on pullbacks. So potentially, price is on the verge of its next leg higher. Now the reason why I drew the zone here, as you have some basin before the next leg higher, which took out the pivot high to the left, and you can see how price did react to the top of that zone to close off the lows on Friday. This is the weekly chart, and we have these red rectangles representing weekly buyers levels. The blue represents daily buyers levels, and you can see how back in mid-August price came and hit the top of that buyers level before shooting higher. Price came back and attempted to hit or penetrate the zone, but couldn't. So this is a very strong zone at the 266 level. But had you invested $10,000 in Meta 10 years ago, where would you be? So in the past decade, its shares have soared 625%. This compares to the NASDAQ, which has only gained 252%. This means that $10,000 investment in 2023 would be worth $72,000 today. Not too shabby. Company was founded in 2004. Back then, it was all about MySpace. However, Facebook made MySpace obsolete. Now, the founder, CEO, Mark Zuckerberg, saw his business benefit from multiple trends. Can't ignore the advent of the internet, more precisely the rise of popularity in smartphones, more precisely the rise in social media. These tech changes will continue to support Meta's growth. However, they are looking to benefit from the next trend. Now, before we get to the next trend that's going to propel Meta higher, as of September 30th, Meta counted a whopping 3.96 billion monthly active users across its family of apps, which includes Facebook, Instagram, which it bought, WhatsApp, which it bought, and Messenger. This is up from the 1.19 billion 10 years ago during Q3 2013. Along with Alphabet, Meta has essentially helped to spearhead the digital advertising market. In 2022, the company garnered 144 billion from ad sales, putting it second place in the industry on a worldwide basis. Now, here's where Meta's going to try to partake in the next trend moving forward. Meta might be a completely different business if you look out 10 years from now. That's because Mark Zuckerberg is intensely focused on developing the metaverse, a collection of virtual worlds that people can access with augmented reality and virtual reality headsets. In fact, Zuckerberg has created a whole new segment called Reality Labs that houses these metaverse ambitions, and to date the financial results have been disappointing, which is why they put a hold on this particular initiative and called this year Year of Efficiencies. And as a result, Wall Street loved their cost cuts to focus on profits and revenue generation. With that said, I'm going to zoom back out to the monthly chart, because I do want to look at this resistance support band at the round hole psychological number 300. Now, if price ends up selling off, the markets that have you end up selling off, this will be a great opportunity to go long. Again, I would put a bit more caution at this level. It's in the middle of this range, so you have to expect choppiness. However, it is the leg that exceeded and breached and closed above these two pivot highs. In the process, it allowed the 50 and the 100-day moving average to kind of get closer, so it was overextended. If you're aggressive, this would be a great level to go long. If you're conservative, wait and see if price breaches the zone and gets closer to the $300 resistance support band. But either way, Meta is going higher over time. I do have a target going into 2024 at the $350 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.